our YouTube channel. Candy Cakes here.
Elite Bakery here.
So today we're going to be trying something new. We're going to be adding fondant to our cake. As you guys do sip and paint, we do sip and bake.
Yes.
So this is our fondant here that we're going to be using to add to our cream. And also this is, we use it to stabilize the fondant. Okay?
Yes, and this is our cake. As you can see, this is our cake, and this is whipped cream that we use to put inside the cream. You know that bakers are just similar to builders, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
We are builders, so builders, please take notes. Please take notes. If your father is a builder, tell him to watch this video.
As you take bricks, we take layers of cake.
Exactly.
Okay? So come on our journey.
Yes. Before you open. So you have to shake this before you open, okay?
You are going to point out, Abigail. That's enough. Okay. So yeah, guys.
Or
In. So this is going to be enough. So 1, 2, taking. 1, 2, taking. Pretty as you, babe.
you're looking so pretty, my friends. In your tooth are white as cream.
The white and cream. Wow, really?
Look at the consistency of our cream. Now the cream was ready. Yeah, now let's remove the cake from the tin, guys. Let's remove the cake from the tin so that we may cream it together. Right? Then lastly we'll put the plastic icing or fondant outside our cake. Right? Are we together, guys?
Guys.
Two bakers in the house.
I think there's enough.
Should I cut? Mundi sira cho badenga ichi.
Msikana anokara guys, ona keke level.
Apana paka bofokera.
Bofoka bachekwa abuza.
Aiwa, papa naita level.
Level. Seyori bega.
Ndoka mjaiza.
Uri kamera uma.
Camera LED.
Camera LED. David.
Wese mupati mechepa msora kwa ndoka lukurati.
And this cake is nice, I guess.
Yeah,
That's really taste.
Oh.
No, panaita yengeka wanda doya. Chinasaka yenge tingakwana ukundise yese. Wozezo tangaurasika.
Kucheza masimboshanisa ya chikukata chiro.
Chakafa guys.
Chakafirwa guys.
Right. Now. So we're just making 3 layers. It's fine. But still, it's a bit clever. Nyana, guys are not that
It's
big.
good. Ayonanganisa majo. Ayonanganisa.
People get it wrong, you know.
If you get it wrong, we really don't care.
Okay.
No, we gotta cut somewhere. Don't forget to cut somewhere.
You want it?
We need perfect stuff, so you have to cut that part.
This one is for us, guys. This is for us. They are sipping and baking.
Why not?
Why not?
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Please, I beg you.
I beg you.
So yeah guys, now it's time to stack the layers. As we told you guys, the builders, they stack bricks. For us, we stack layers of cakes, guys. So it's time to stack them layers, stacking them layers, guys. So I took my scooper and it was time to stack the layers now. So I just made sure that I put a little amount of cream because we don't like cream. We don't like too much cream because we don't want to gain too much weight. And we have to put a little amount of cream under the cake because the cake must stick to the cake base, right? So that was the main goal. I put a little amount of cream under the cake. Then now it was time to put the cream in between the cakes, right?
Guys, cake ramukadzirandurana. Oh. Brick by brick, layer by layer.
So now as you can see, I just put the cream inside the cake and I was just leveling it, making sure that it will be fine to put our content, right? As you can see, guys, you have to take notes. I can't tell you everything, you guys. I can't tell you everything. You just have to take notes, right? Just take notes. You remember me when you miss bread or when you miss a cake, and now you have to go and buy the cake rather than baking for yourself. Guys, skills are just very, very important. So if you are in India and you want to do baking lessons, okay, go and do. You can go and do it. It's something that is very important. It's something that is very good, right? But if you just want to know some skills, or if you just want me to share the skills that I have with you, yes, I can share them. We can share them. We can share the skills, right? I don't mind sharing my skill, so you can come. A skill is something that is very important, and no one can take it away from you. No one can take it away from you. So I believe that every lady must have some cooking skills, baking skills, Yeah, it's very important. It's very important. Even men should have those skills as well. It's just important, guys, to have those kind of skills. For me, I just love to I love baking, I love decorations, I love driving, I love a lot of things. I love sports. So I just make sure that I engage in all those activities. So you can do the same. If I can do it, you can also do it, okay? Driving, I mean driving cars, not driving people. I failed to drive people crazy. So I'm driving cars, I'm driving cars. Big cars, big cars. Since I failed to drive somebody's son crazy, I'm driving cars. Oh, what can I drive? What can I drive, guys? What can I drive? So it was now time to need the fondant, guys. It was time to need the fondant, and we used our hands because it was my cake with my friend. It was my friend's cake at I. Okay, so my friend was telling me that you the way you stretch it, what. She was just teasing. This one, she loves stretching. She was just stretching. Then I was stretching it. Stretching it. Oh my god, I was stretching it, making sure that it's good. And then my friend said, "Wait, let me add the stabilizer. You have to add the stabilizer so that this fondant will be stable." And I was like, "Okay, fine. Let me take it. Then I took it. Then I mixed it with my fondant. I mixed it because I wanted my fondant to be very stable. I mixed it. Look the way I was stretching it. I was even developing some muscles. Oh my god. Actually, I have muscles. I don't even go to gym, but I'm musculated. So yeah, while needing the fondant, you also have to put some flour so that the fondant do not stick to your hands, okay? So you need to knead the fondant till the consistency is good, because we'll be stabilizing it also with the vegetable oil. That's the stabilizer that we were using. So you have to make sure that the fondant is now stable. And the reason why I'm putting flour in my hands, I didn't want the fondant to stick in my hands, okay? So you have to knead it till the consistency is good, stretching it like what I'm doing, stretching it till the consistency is good, so that you can roll it now and spread it and then cover your cake. Yeah, it's so simple. It's simple like that. It's very, very, very simple like that. We put our content in the refrigerator for some time, then we started vibing, listening to music, dancing, singing out loud, singing very, very loud, enjoying ourselves. Oh, we are ministers of enjoyment. We are ministers of enjoyment. We love to enjoy ourselves, you know. We only live once in this world and we have to live our best lives, okay? If you're not living your best life, make sure you do. Make sure you live your best life because, guys, we only live once. We only live once. We have to enjoy this life, okay? But you have to enjoy it in a good way, okay? You have to enjoy it in a good way, in a God-fearing way, okay? Because it's very, very important, guys. It's very important, trust me. We continued vibing, singing music. Then I had to use my microphone because the sound was a little bit low. So I had to take a mic and used my microphone to sing out loud. And the volume was too much. The volume was just too much after taking the microphone. And then, yeah, we're enjoying, guys. We're enjoying. I've got nice dance moves, okay? If I knew how to dance, you guys were going to suffer. It's only that I don't know how to dance. But if I knew, you guys were going to suffer. Then my friend was just enjoying. She was feeling so energetic. She was so happy. Enjoying, guys. She was so happy. She was so happy, trust me. So we're just enjoying. She was also holding a microphone and we were enjoying. Then, yeah, the song, yeah, it was a love song. It was actually a love song. And, yeah, it's a good song. I'm not saying that you are in love, but the song is just good and is someone who will be in love in future. I just love the song and relating, okay? I'll be relating to what will be happening in my future, okay? Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. So yeah, my friend is a war vibe. My friend is actually a war vibe. So, and she will be talking nonsense. Hey, and tinenge tichingoseka. Tinenge tichinakirwa zvedu, tinenge tichinakirwa. Then she changed her microphone. She had to take a big microphone because that one was not that good. And then I took the bar of cream. Enjoying with it. Oh my god. Guys, yeah. And then we played another song, and this song, it's actually a good song. And then my friend had to join me. Yeah, she had to join me vibing to the song. This song, it's good. It says that if mom dies when we are far away, who will inform me? If our parents die when we are far away from them, who will inform us? Something like that. Is that a good song? And we're just dancing, guys, dancing. Oh, this is so good. We actually enjoyed ourselves. You know. Life is just good. Life is good, and you have to enjoy this life. As I told you earlier, you have to live as if you are dying tomorrow. Okay, you only have one life. How can you mess around that one life, guys? You have to enjoy it. guys, I really loved this cake. Oh my god. This is the final look. Can you rate out of 10? This is our first time making a cake. But icing thoughts, plastic icing of 4 out of 10. Shane, where are you making?
Yeah, guys, please do tell us.
Out of 10. Thank you, Yash. This is our first time making a plastic icing cake. Can you rate? So guys, we are now cutting and Ash. I'm now heartbroken. I do not want to cut it. But
so I'm the one who's breaking your heart.
it's okay. Oh. She had to cut.
Yeah, you can cut that. I'm worried, my love.
What is the amount of energy there is
Hey. She would have cut
to
again.
be sliced in it.
Imagine, then I was saying that I was just one.
Just to be
Tell them I'm not
sliced in
going
a
to
few seconds.
So I don't like it. I'm a big. Oh, K and T. Come on, I'm not just in that again.
Again, no. I'll go with her. Perfecto. Guys, we are the best.
They enjoy it. She they enjoy it.
We're eating our sweat.
Hey, tell them.
Munhu kazi ayaje ziya rake. Hanzi murume. Hanzi ne Bible. Murume. Murume. Murume ayaje
Is only
ziya.
supposed to be giving
Yeah,
them.
saka zvisi zvipindira zvataura but ndodya cheziya chese. Ndizori murume in my own, I mean. Bakakurunaka guys. Mukazona nguva ka. Ungotova vanhu vanogona kubika. Tororeka manichi. Tororeka. Ewabuda. Bye guys. Thank you so much for